Hello everyone, my name is Chioma Ejimofor, and this spring semester I intern at the YWCA of Greensboro. For my first objective, I wanted to address enhancing the health, education, and promotion by helping my preceptor facilitate childbirth classes. So in those childbirth classes, I noticed that teen moms were having frequently asked questions, and there was a lot of commonality within those questions as well. And so I asked my preceptor if I could make a guide or a survival guide that was basically like a do's and don'ts of postpartum parenthood. So this is also the project that I did for her. So I created about 15 of these, and they basically address questions like how do I bathe my baby, how much should I feed my baby, and just common questions that I heard throughout the classes that I think there's not enough concrete information that they can find on the internet, so I wanted to put it in this little pamphlet for them. For my second objective, I wanted to just address health advocacy and see what I could do there. So the YWCA is partnered with Sister Song, and in that collaboration, they address the shackling and incarceration of pregnant women. My preceptor actually asked me to make a mini presentation for the teen moms and teen participants about shackling and what that is. So I'm going to show you the small PowerPoint that I made for that presentation. So yeah, this is the PowerPoint. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't loaded with the information that I wanted to talk about. I didn't want it to have all these words on it, so I basically used this as a guide into what I was talking about. But it addresses what shackling can lead to, the consequences of being separated from your mother, and basically the need for legislation. Right. So for my third objective, I was going to go on home visits and do intakes, but because of external reasons out of my control, I wasn't able to do so. But during the internship, I was able to collect data and put it in a spreadsheet about the teen moms, and the spreadsheet was basically about who was attending the classes, how many people were attending the classes, and what they needed. And so I'll show you that spreadsheet now. So I blacked out the names, the phone numbers, and the emails, obviously, but basically it has the names, it has their due dates, the date of birth, food allergies, if they're attending the class, if they need a doula, and this basically helped my preceptor in, organizing who was coming to the classes and what they needed during those classes. So as far as lessons that I learned during the internship, I learned a lot about punctuality. It's important to be on time. Of course, it's important to get stuff in on time. And I think I definitely improved in that area. And I also learned about just how to collaborate with people and how to work as a team. Even if you have conflicting ideas, it's important that you incorporate even an idea that you don't like, because maybe it will turn out for the better. So, and I think advice that I would give an intern coming into the YWCA is just to be yourself. It was a very lighthearted, comfortable atmosphere, and I liked walking in every day not being scared of the staff because they were so friendly and nice to talk to. So if you're looking for a place where it's grassroots level stuff, it's a nonprofit organization, and you get to, just be yourself and be in an environment where people welcome you with open arms, I definitely would recommend coming to the YWCA. And thank you so much for watching.